Hey everyone, Dan Longman here, Party Lending. Hey, I'm shooting you a quick video here on Sunday afternoon. Wanted to get this out because I believe tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day in the markets. Make sure you stay tuned. We could actually even see interest rates come down. We might even see not only the end of the Fed rate hikes, but we could see rates actually start to come back down. And I'm going to tell you why real quick. I mean, most of you have probably seen and heard about Silicon Valley Bank going under. And there's, things circulating out there as far as mismanagement of funds and things like that. But that's really not the case with this bank. Yes, they were heavily into, tech companies, and tech companies have been hurting right now and they've been pulling cash out. But it's not that they didn't have the cash. Their deposits were protected. The problem is they invested really safely into long-term securities, mortgage bonds, U.S. treasuries, etc. And the problem is those are super safe investments, but if people start pulling their money out and the bank has it invested in long-term maturities that are obviously not due anytime soon, and now rates have gone up, well, it diminishes the value of those investments. And you put the fear factor out there, right? There's been investors that are now shorting the stock. So what does that do? It causes a run on the bank, right? So people start pulling their money out. The bank has it tied up in long-term, securities. They don't have enough funds to honor those deposits, and then that's when the federal government has to step in, the FDIC step in and basically shut the bank down. So the problem with this is that it could spread. This doesn't appear to be a one-off. I mean, look at this is the second largest bank to fail since the 2008 financial crisis. And the largest bank was Washington Mutual, which obviously JP Morgan Chase took over. So just pay attention to this. The Fed right now is supposedly having an emergency meeting. I wouldn't be surprised if they come out and make an announcement. They have to stop this fear because it really could spread to other banks. And if that happens, we could have a potential, I don't want to say crisis, but we could have issues. So the only silver lining in this is I think the Fed will have to stop hiking rates. Will they lower them right away? Possibly, but we'll just have to see. It's going to be an interesting week to say the least, but definitely pay attention tomorrow. Okay? Hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday and talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.